In this tutorial, we are discussing about Java character stream class. So what is character stream in Java? The Java I/O package provides character stream classes to overcome the limitation of byte stream classes. Because the byte stream classes can only the 8-bit bytes and is not compatible to work directly with the Unicode characters. So, the Java I/O package requires the stream which is easily run with the Unicode characters. So, to find the solution of this problem, we are introducing the character stream. Character stream classes are used to work with 16-bit Unicode characters. They can perform operations on characters, char arrays, and strings. However, the character stream classes are mainly used to read characters from the source and write them to the destination. For this purpose, the character stream classes are divided into two types of classes: reader class for reading the data and writer class for writing the data into a destination. Let's discuss about the reader class. The reader class is used to read the 16-bit character from the input stream. However, it is an abstract class and can't be instantiated. But there are various subclasses that inherit the reader class and override the methods of the reader classes. So basically, reader class is an abstract class, and for using the reader class, we must have to override it. And all the methods of the reader class throw an IO exception. So it is recommended to use the throws IO exception while using the reader class. Let's discuss about the subclasses of the reader class. Buffer reader. This class provides the methods to read characters from the buffer. If we want to read the characters from the buffer, then we can use buffer reader. Char array reader. If we want to read characters from a char array, then we can use the char array reader. File reader. This class provides method to read characters from the file. Filter reader. This class provides the method that read the characters from the underlying character input stream or with the help of filtered input stream. Input stream reader. This class provides method to convert the bytes to characters. If we want to convert the byte to characters, then we use the input stream reader. Piped reader. This class provides the methods to read characters from the connected piped output stream. String reader. This class provides method to read characters from a string. Here are some methods of reader classes. Int read. This method returns the integral representation of the next character present in the input. If returns -1 if the end of the input is encountered. Int read char buffer. This method is used to read from the specified buffer. It returns the total number of characters successfully read. If it returns -1, it means that the end of the input is encountered. Int read char buffer, int loc, in and chars. This method is used to read the specified and chars from the buffer at the specified location. It returns the total number of characters successfully read. Some other methods of reader classes. Void mark int and chars. This method is used to mark the current position in the input stream until and chars characters are read. Void reset. This method is used to reset the input pointer to the previous set mark. Long skip long and chars. This method is used to skip the specified and chars character from the input stream and returns the number of characters skipped. Boolean ready. This method returns a Boolean value true if the next request of input is ready, otherwise it returns false. Void close. This method is used to close the input stream. However, if the program attempts to access the input, it generates IO exception. Writer class. Writer class is used to write 16-bit Unicode characters to the output stream. The method of the writer class also generates the IO exception. So it is recommended to use the throws class of IO exception while using the writer class. Like reader class, writer class is also an abstract class that cannot be instantiated. Therefore, the subclasses of the writer class are used to write the characters onto the output stream. Here are the subclasses of writer class. Buffer writer. This class provides methods to write characters to the buffer. File writer. This class provides method to write characters to the file. Char array writer. This class provides method to write the characters to the character array. Output stream writer. This class provides method to convert from byte to characters. Piped writer. This class provides method to write the characters to the piped output stream. String writer. This class provides method to write the characters to the string. Here are some methods of writer class. Void write. This method is used to write the data to the output stream. Void write int I. This method is used to write a single character to the output stream. Void write char buffer. This method is used to write the array of characters to the output stream. Void write char buffer int locked int n chars. This method is used to write the n chars characters to the character array from the specified location. Void close. This method is used to close the output stream. However, this generates the IO exception if an attempt is made to write to the output stream after closing the stream. Void flush. This method is used to flush the output stream and writes the waiting buffered characters. So, these all are the concept behind the character streams in Java. Thank you.